Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Nur Wahidah binti Ali. I'm the mentor for the project Chargerless electric bicycle. I will be supervising and conducting this team to the fullest extent possible so that this project well prepared and good to go.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to our video. I am Muhammad Tamizi, leader of this team.
I am Afif. I'm Awak Sabi.
I am Adam.
I am Fahim.
I'm Adib.
And I'm Asfar. Our project is Chargerless electric bicycle. Now, what is Chargerless electric bicycle? Let me tell you. So, the Chargerless electric bicycle introduces a way to produce and provide energy to the battery. Instead of plugging the bike to a socket, we use the concept of producing energy using kinetic movement, which is dynamo. The simple way to say it is, the bike needs energy from a battery to run or to move. So when the battery runs out, you just need to use the pedals of the bike to cycle it. Now, when you cycle it, it will produce energy, thus energy is restored, and you can use it once again. Now, let's move on and hear what Fahim has to say.
We knew the electric bike support cycling for less efforts to be put into it. But the main problem is the cost in using the electricity. The battery needs high charge of electricity for longer use. So, we need a way to reduce the usage of electricity and also the cost. Now, let's hear what Mizi has to say.
The product called dynamo is a device that makes direct current electric power using electromagnetism. Function of this dynamo is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The electric dynamo uses rotating coils of wire and magnetic fields to convert mechanical rotation into a pulsing direct electricity current through Faraday's law of induction and Lenz's law. When the bicycle starts moving, the top of the dynamo touches the rim of the tire. A direct current then will be produced. A bicycle dynamo has one or more permanent magnets with coils spinning inside their poles. So, when the coils spin in the magnetic field created by the magnetic flux begins to change through the coils, resulting in an electric field that finally generates electric current. This involves Faraday's law and Lenz's law. Faraday's law occurs when the magnitude of EMF is produced, while the Lenz's law only involves to determine the direction of the current flow.
Now, the electric power generated by dynamo will be transferred into a battery. We decided to use this battery as our choice for this project. As any other battery works, this one also stores electricity through electrochemical process, which is by converting electricity into chemical energy and back to electricity when needed. In detail, the electrolyte in the battery carries positively charged lithium ions from the anode to the cathode. It is the movement of the lithium ions that creates free electrons in the anode, which result in creating a charge at the positive current corrector. By that, we could benefit the electricity that is stored in the battery as an energy source to start the motor and turn the bicycle into an electric scooter. Or even better, the battery could be installed with an output port to be used as an emergency power bank for smartphones.
So, for the impacts, we could see that this technology could save time in terms of its use, but not in terms of speed. Why? It is because when it runs out of battery, you just need to pedal the bike to generate energy that will be stored at the battery. So that you can save your time to charge this bicycle instead of spending time to charge it at home and didn't do anything. After all, this bike doesn't have very high speed. It is only used to go to places that are not too far away at a speed that is not too fast. Indirectly, we can produce sweat that makes our body fit and brain smart. In addition, it can also reduce the use of gasoline that causes air pollution.
So, how are we going to commercialize our technology in mass? So with the help of the internet, we can take the initiative to commercialize our technology through any platform such as TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and many more. And since we are students, we could really use the hand of our teachers and parents. Our goal is to introduce people to the technology and collaborate with them.
Now it's time for me to bring the video to an end. To support of my group mates' wonderful statement just now, I would like to add some more information about our chargerless electric bicycle. Like my friend Asfar said in the introduction, we charge the bike using kinetic energy. People have been using kinetic energy to produce electricity for a hefty time now. An example is the turbine generator. What we are doing is just using the same concept of them, except we are not using turbine but a dynamo which uses electric rotating coils and magnetic fields. Not only this is a good way to conserve energy, but it's also a healthy option for the environment.